everybody, hope you're well. So I got this idea from one of my subscribers, you know who you are, about expecting one of the advent packages to be green theme. And I thought with all of the lingerie supplies that I have, I think I might be able to appease her and actually create a green kit. So what I do know is I have several green, not laces, but in green theme, right? So I do have like these minty green elastics, but I wanted to start with my base, which is finding a green lace. I do know that I have one or two. Okay, it's right here. So I got this green lace as a base to start with, but I'm going to put it here so you can still, if it doesn't slide down, okay, so you can still see it. But I also got this ombre green, which is a little smaller in terms of width, but it does have the dark green and the light green. Now these two might not particularly go together, but we have a green base, that's for sure. We also have green mesh lining. So if I'm thinking about, let's say, making a galena panty, which I'm going to pop off in the screen, then I would say the back has to be stretched, and then the front can be either a stretch lace or a tulle lace. So I would think I have the lining, or at least the mesh part. I have the green lace. Let's just go with these two, right? Because they are closer to each other. I also have something to throw in the loop, which is this one right here. It's a cotton jersey, makes for a really comfortable undie, and it has green leaves on it, which also complements this. Okay. Now we're going to look for elastics. So we can do picot elastic, strap. We need picot elastic, or wide band elastic, or fold over elastic. Those are the choices that I have here, and also looking for strap elastic, and maybe of course a closure. Okay, so the first that I have here, these are my fold over elastic. I have a green here, but it doesn't really complement this. It does complement the cotton, but it doesn't really complement the rest. So let's skip this one. Let's see if we have maybe we have a forest green, which can work. Let's see. We have a forest. We have another green. So we got this dark green, and we have this green. I'm not sure if you can see the difference. This one here. This one is a 1.5, which translates to a 0.7 of width, and this is a 2 centimeter, which translates to 1 when you fold it over. Then it's 1 centimeter of width. And this one is like an olive green that wouldn't complement the fabric either. We have this, I'm not sure, like it looks like that. It's like I'm not sure which color this is, but I would think we would either go with this or this. I'll put them there in terms of fold over elastic, because we want to try to stay in the green. Here we have the 3.8 waistband elastic. those are the majority. We do have a green, but I don't think you'll be happy with that one. Let's see, do we have green in here? We also have another one here. Oh, I have a lot of that one. I have a really dark green, more towards brown. I have a tree color, which doesn't complement it here. What would I do in this case? In this case, I would have gone completely left and do a different color, but I think with the waistband elastic, we're not going to have any success. So let's see if we have success with the picot elastic, because it would be sad to just have one type of elastic. Oh, we have this green again. Is it a sign? I mean, it's completely different. Let's see if we can find maybe forest green or something. Okay, we have a brown, we have gray. I mean, it's really safe though, but it does complement it. So we're going for not so green. Is it a taupe? It looks like a taupe picot elastic, 1 centimeter. Yes. It's better than this beige. And I don't have any other. Let's see if we can go back to the green with the strap elastic. I know for sure that I don't have a draw channeling for this color. That's what I know for sure. Hey, I do have some green strap elastic that would definitely complements both of these elastics. Really nice. I do like these two better together, but okay, let's see if we have anything else. No. In terms of that, do we have anything that looks like? No, that's not cool. I think that is it. Yep. Yeah. I don't have any other green besides this, and this is completely different from that. So I think that would be the set. I would eliminate, no, not really, because why not? Let's see what else I'll do. Okay, so I do have strap elastic, like you said. I have fold over elastic. I have picot elastic, which is a little, it doesn't go well with if you want to do a combination of these two, but it does go if I only stick with the green theme. Okay, what I'll use in terms of rings and sliders to complement this kit is let's see, oh yeah, we have that and we have this. I would go for gold, or rose gold. What would you choose? I think I would go for rose gold. Let me see if I have a complete set, because I see only one. Oh, yes, I do. I have one ring and one set of ring and one set of slider. I have more sliders here, but that's okay. Let's see if I can do the ring. Yes, and the slider. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, so you can see here. Whoa. No! Okay, can you see? So I have the rings and the sliders. Those are phenomenal. I think the rose gold will definitely complement this. Let's see, what else would we use? We'll use rings and sliders. We won't use any charms because I don't have any rose gold charms. I have some, I was calling these flowers in my previous video. You know this is a bow, right? It's just me. But yeah, it's I don't know. But it does, when you put it like this, it does look nice. Okay, I will acquiesce and just add those because I feel like that might be perfect. But when I see that, I still am tempted to remove this color. Okay, so I would definitely go with the rose gold and not the gold for this. And now let's see if we can find a bra closure, because that is usually something that I buy as I go. Well, that's a lie because you see I have supply, but okay, I don't have a dark green. I only have this green, which is, what is this color? I'm going to look it up and put it. Let me just fix the camera setting so you can see which color I'm talking about. Can you does it work? Ooh, it's getting worse. The light is kind of washing it out, but it's like a sage. That's the name. It's a sage green. Okay, let's see. Ooh, my kit might not be complete because I don't have because I don't have a green closure, and I have this sage, but sage is the same color that I had with the Pico, I think. I do, and I think I have it as a fold over also, but then everything has to be turned around because I do have a I would call it terracotta color, but then I would have to take everything out. So the only thing that I would have to purchase in this case to complete this set would be if I would is a closure. We are stuck because I don't have a closure that complements this set, unless I take out all of the notions that I have and opt for this green for everything, which does complement. So we're taking out all of the dark green elastics and also the ribbons because it doesn't really complement each other, and we're replacing that with this green. What do you think? Because I do like the dark green better now. And so with this one I do have a closure. I'll take a picture of both sets and I'll put it up in the screen. You be the judge and tell me if I succeeded and which color combination in terms of the dark green or the sage green, which one you like more. Both of them will be fold over elastic. The only thing what I have two things extra in this sage green, and that is I have a closure and I have a bra channeling, which I don't with the dark green. But you decide. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid. Comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. And you have a great day.